Hello students, welcome again to our digital learning. Myself Poonam Gupta, your second standard teacher. Children, today we are going to learn subject mathematics. Topic, a subtraction story, a continuing part of our previous lesson from your mathematics textbook, page number 32. Children, please take out your textbook of mathematics, page number 32. Children, in our previous video, we have done a subtraction story and what is subtraction. With the help of this word problem and this method, we learned different type of method of subtraction with this new method of subtraction for a larger number that will help you to solve subtraction easily. So children, now we will understand and revise this method of subtraction with the help of some example here. Now children, with this sum, we will practice this method of subtraction. The first sum is 68 minus 34. This is the bigger number. So which method we will use? By crossing out or with the help of tens and units. Here we have 68. So we have to draw 6 10. How many tens are there here? 6 tens and 8 units. So draw 6 tens first by making a string or making a bundle of 10 sticks. Three, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we drawn 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10 and 6 10, that is 60. And we have at the unit place 8. So make 8 single beads for unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 single beads of unit place and 6 10 for 6 tens for 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 60. 68 equal to 60 plus 8. Now we have to subtract 34 from this 68. So in 34, first we have to find how many tens? 3 tens and 4 units. So we have to cut down 3 tens from this 6 tens. 1, 2, 3 tens. So how many tens are left? 1, 2, 3 tens. And how many units are left? We have to cut 4 units out of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many left children? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means we have left 3 tens and 4 units, that is 34. Like that we will solve one more example here. So children, how to write? First we will see how to write in a table this question. First write heading of tens and unit because we have here 2-digit number. Then write the bigger number first. Below that write the smaller number. Put the minus sign and then write the answer here, that is 34. In 34, 4 at the unit place and 3 at the tens place. Now here we have one more question. 98 minus 40. First we will write in the column here. Here also we have 2-digit number. So we need 2 columns for unit and tens. On the right side we have to write unit column and on the left side we have to write tens column. Now put the number in the proper column here. 9 tens and 8 units. In 98 we have 9 tens and 8 units. Here that is the number 40. So in 40 we have 4 at the tens place and 0 at the unit place. So we will write here 0 at unit place and 4 at tens place. Now what we have to do? Subtraction. So put the minus sign here. Now for subtraction what we will do? We will use the tens and unit method. So for that we have to draw the tens and unit of bigger number. Here we have bigger number 98. In 98 we have 9 tens and 8 unit, means 90 plus 8, that is 98. So we have to draw 9 tens first. Four, five, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's count, children, how many tens we have drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. We need 9. So make more tens here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens means 90 or 9 tens. And how many unit? 8 unit. So draw single beads of 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now children, how many number we have to subtract? 40 minus 40. We have to cut down 40 beads from this. So how to cut that, children? First we have to find out how many tens and how many units. Here we have 0 at unit place and 4 at tens place. So we have 4 tens, that is 40 beads. So first we will cut 4 10 out of this 9 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And from unit place, out of 8 unit, we have to subtract 0 unit. 0 means nothing we have to cut. Remember children, 0 means nothing you have to subtract from this 8. So 8 beads are as it is. Now how many beads are left? First we will count the unit bulb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will write here 8 units. And how many tens are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here at the tens place we will write 5. So now in the table column we will write 8 at the unit column and 5 at the tens column. We got 58 beads left. Now children, I hope you understood this method of subtraction. Children, now we have learned the subtraction method of by crossing the tens and unit with the help of these beads, which can help you to subtract a greater number like 54, 37 like this. It is helpful to subtract a bigger number, children. Now we will take one word problem with the help of this method of subtraction. Start reading this question, children. Anand read 28 story books. Sagar read 14. How many books did Anand read then Sagar? So children, what they ask? They ask how many books Anand read more. I left to write this. Sorry. Anand read more than Sagar. Means Anand read 28 story book here. And Sagar read 14. Means Anand read more than Sagar. So how many more he read than Sagar? So how to find out that, children? They want to find out the difference between the number of books read by Anand and Sagar. So what we have to do, children, to find out the difference? Yes, we have to do subtraction. So first we have to make a table of units and tens, because here we have 2-digit number. So we have to make tens and unit column for 2-digit number. Now start reading the question again and fill out the information in the table. First, write the unit on the right hand column and tens on the left hand side column. And start filling the information which is given here. Anand read 28 story book. And in the subtraction, remember children, you have to write first the bigger number. Here the bigger number is 28. So Anand read 28 story book. So we will write 2 in the tens column and 8 in the unit column, because 28 in 28 2 is 2 tens and 8 is unit. And what else is given? Sagar read 14. So here we will write 110 and 4 unit. Now what we have to do, children? Yes, subtraction. Put the sign of subtraction here, children, that is minus. Then how to subtract, children? Yes, we understood that with the help of tens and units, by drawing the tens and unit. Here we have to write 28 is books read by Anand, and 14 books Read by Sagar. Now we will do the subtraction with the help of tens, drawing tens and unit. Here we have 28. So we have to draw 2 tens and 8 units. For tens, we have to draw a necklace of 10 beads. One 10, 2 10 and 8 units. For 8 units, we have to draw 8 single beads. Like this. Now, we have to subtract 14 from 28. So, we will cut 14 out of this 28. 14, in 14, we have 110. So, from 210, we have to subtract this 110, and from 8 unit you have to subtract 4 unit. 1 2 3 4. Now start counting that what is left here. 1 2 3 4. We left 4 unit, means 4 single beads. So we have to write in the unit column 4 unit. Here how many tens are left? 110. So we will write here 1 at the tens column. So what is the answer, children? 110, 4 unit, that is 14. So yeah, we will write here 14 more books read by Anand. Like this, children, you have to solve the next question. Now children, here we have one more question of word problem or of a subtraction story. Let's read. There were 16 bananas in a basket. Manpreet added some bananas to the basket, and then there were 29 bananas in it. How many bananas did Manpreet add? Children, here we have the word more added. With this word, please don't think that it is of addition. First we have to understand this problem, then we will find that how to solve this problem. So what we have to do first? First we have to take out what is given here. There were 16 bananas in a basket. We have one basket, in that we have 16 bananas, means we have 16 bananas in one basket. Then what they have given? Manpreet added, means Manpreet added means he is putting more bananas, added some, but we don't know what is some. So we will put the dash here. To the basket. In the basket, Manpreet added some bananas, but we don't know how many bananas he added. And then there were 29 bananas in it, means after adding 16 plus something, after putting the bananas more, the total number of bananas are 29. So how many bananas did Manpreet add? Means we have to find out how many bananas Manpreet added. So what to do, children? Here we don't have to add these two numbers because we don't have any number here. We have some here. So we don't have to add this. What we have to do, children? We have to take out the difference between these two numbers. Means we have studied in our addition and subtraction of pair that we can take out a subtraction equation from this addition problem. That is, first we have to take the sum, that is 29. Put a minus, then we will put that one number here. So what we will get, children, here? The other number of addition. We have learnt in this type of question in our previous lesson, children. Addition and subtraction, a pair. So with the help of this method, we will take out this answer. Now we have to do subtraction, children, here to find out the difference. How many Manpreet added banana? So for that we have to make a table again. Here we have 2-digit number, children. So we have to make tens and unit column. First we will write on the right side unit and on the left side is tens. Now fill the information in the table with the help of this question. The first information is given that 16 bananas. We have 16 bananas and the total number of banana in the basket after adding is 29. So in subtraction, what we have to do, children? First we have to take out the bigger number. So from 29 and 16, 29 is a bigger number. So we will write 2 in the tens column and 9 in the unit column for 29. Then the other number, that is 16. In 16, 1 is a tens and 6 is a unit. Now we will put the sign of minus here. Then write the information. 29 is the total number of bananas after adding is. Total bananas. And 16 is what? Number of bananas. 16 bananas are in a basket before. Like this. Now we will subtract with the help of tens and unit because it is a bigger number. Here we will draw. First we have to draw the bigger number. Draw the tens and unit of bigger number, that is 29. In 29 we have 2 tens. So we have to make 2 tens for 29. And in 29 we have 2 tens and 9 unit. For unit we have to make a single bead, single 9 beads. 7, 8, 9. From that we have to subtract 16. In 16 we have 1 10 and 6 unit. So first we will cut the unit, that is 6. From 9 we have to cut 6 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we got here, children? 1, 2, 3 unit. Right? And the unit column 3. Now from 2 unit we have to subtract. From 2 tens we have to subtract 1 10. From 2 10 we have to subtract 1 10. So how many tens left here? 1. So we will write 1 in the tens column. So 1, 3, 13. 13 is the number of bananas Manpreet added. Like this, we can find, children, any subtraction problem with the help of this tens and unit method, cutting of tens and unit method for the greater number, like this. So children, please do practice at home. I hope you understood this lesson. Please see the video and Do the practice. Children, please do practice at home. Like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.